What do mass transportation, renewable energy, electric vehicles, industrial equipment, and the defense sector all share? They're all intertwined by a single pivotal technology: high-power energy conversion. At the very heart of this electrification revolution is AMO Power.
Energy conversion is the fundamental link for many of the electrifications and decarbonization projects that are coming to USA and to the world.
AMO Power is an award-winning company leading the charge in innovation for critical infrastructure and energy.
The fact is, we're making it in America, we're building it in America. We see it here at Florida Small Business Week winner, AMO Power, designed high-power energy converters to help fuel our shift to a clean energy future.
In AMO Power, we have been in business for 20 years of constant innovation. It is exciting to be part of this team.
We're always looking for companies that are willing to partner with us, to think about things that are different and unique. AMO Power really does that. They have some really unique solutions. They come at things in a different way.
What we have here is a new generation of power converter. It could be the whole propulsion inverter, it could be for rails and some other applications like wind turbines, solar, energy storage, EV chargers, hydrogen, and so forth and so on.
We all share the same passion for engineering, for creating a product that's going to deliver really high standards.
Electrification of our resources and transportation is causing exponential growth in all the sectors that AMO Power provides solutions. With a diverse market reach into multiple industries, the limits are endless. Progress waits for no one. This is AMO Power. Reshape the future with us.